if you like seafood, if you like beef, if you like chicken, if you like wild, crazy stuff, you want some ground boar, you want some alligator, they've got it. It's right there. So if you haven't been over to Wild Fork or are not familiar with what Wild Fork is, they have a little bit of everything. They had some heat and eat type things. Not all of it is like throw it on a grill or cook it up. Like some of it's just throw it in a microwave or heat it up and it's ready to go. They had appetizers. They have desserts, which I'm a sucker for a good dessert. So guys, Wild Fork Foods over here off Springwell and 544. Let's show this brand new business some love. Come check them out, see what they have to offer. And pricing looks really good. So let's come over here and check them out, show them some love. Looking forward to shopping here a lot. I love everything they have to offer. We'll see you guys next time.